Hello, it's Diane, and great new stuff just arrived from my online store. The first thing to show is this collection of I Spy fabric from Timeless Treasures. If you've got kiddos in your life, then these prints are going to be winners because each colorway has different characters and icons that are particular to the colors. So for green, we've got alligators and dinosaurs and limes and leaves and cars. And in orange, we've got traffic cones and aliens and cheese and lions and just so darn fun. Pink elephants. Who doesn't like pink elephants and pink tractors? Super cute. We also have pink pigs. The purple has tennis shoes and bunnies and bicycles and scissors and a variety of other things. This is a white background with gray imprint, and we've got all kinds of animals and icons. The red colorway has apples and crayons and balloons, and blue features whales and cars and crabs and sailboats. Yellow has smiley faces and suns and school buses and rubber duckies. So this was going to be a really cute collection for kids quilts. We will be making some quilt kits from this, or you can just buy the yardage. We're also going to be offering some fat quarter bundles of this fabric because it is so stinking cute. Pairing this with one solid color, either a white or something that matches the background, will be great. But these just arrived today and they're in my online store, and I've got fantastic pricing on them. Also arrived today is two different 108 wides, both from Riley Blake. This is the American Beauty collection, and it's a Dresden cheater background, and I had 3 pre-orders on it, so there's really only about 6.5 yards of this one left after I fulfilled my pre-orders. So if you want that, you need to get it quick. This one just arrived. This is the cream colorway of the Springs in Town background. I also have the blush coming, which is going to be a pale pink. This is beautiful floral line art, kind of a low volume. And then I've got pre-cuts in the Springs in Town collection. This is by Sandy Gervais for Riley Blake. So really, really pretty florals. So lots of new fun stuff for my online store. So check it out and shop now at DianeSews.com.